Hey there, in this quick comparison, I'm going to compare the React with the Vanilla JS and what are the main differences between these two. So first, I'll just give you the quick summary. Vanilla JavaScript is really good for the small projects or simple static websites. When you want to have fine-grained control of the code and its behavior, it's really good. Also, if you want to build a fundamental understanding of web development concepts and when you need a quick loading times and minimal initial setup, in that way, it's good. But for the React, it's really good for larger, more complex applications that benefit from component-based architecture when you need to manage dynamic data and also the user interface. If you want to take advantage of robust ecosystem and when you want to build single-page applications or projects that require frequent updates or reactivity. So that's about like the React. Now, the learning curve for the Vanilla JS is moderate comparing to the React. It's much more steeper. Then also when you're gonna go even further into the DOM manipulation, so the DOM manipulation for the vanilla is direct manipulation using the document. Here you're gonna virtual DOM for efficient updates. Also, you're gonna have with vanilla direct integration, you can straightforward. But here with the React, you can have JSX in-tags combined with HTML with JavaScript and might need also like the CSS in JS libraries. Then also when you're gonna go further for the development speed, so the React is faster for larger scale projects due to reusable components. On the other hand, with the vanilla, it's slower for complex projects due to manual DOM and state handling. And it can be like really difficult with larger code base comparing to React, which is like improved maintainability with clear component structure. So I just want to make this quick video for you regards both of these two and hope I helped you a little bit to know and get more information. So have a great day and goodbye.